it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I am back. We're going to talk about Ipsy. Oh my gosh, you guys. Ipsy Open Studios. I am part of the program. Ipsy gifts me the Glam bag and the Glam bag Plus, which I have down here every month. This is the December bag. Check it out. Oh, what fun. I'm going to unbag these for you guys. If you're interested in either the Glam bag or the Glam bag Plus, I have the link below. Glam bag is $13 a month and the Glam bag Plus is $28. So check it out. It's all like fuzzy. I like this bag. Kind of a retro 80s thing going on. So I'm going to pull out the products here. First up, we have the Sophia and Maybell. This is a fruit lip oil. That's actually good for spring. We have a fruit lip oil. We have the First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. We have a lip liner from Luna Magic. Let me do the shade on this one. Check it out. Oh, that's a nice color. That's like a nice raisiny mauve. So you got the lip liner. And then we also have a Tea Time. This is a eye cream, little Tea Time eye cream there. And then for Milk, we have the Rise Mascara. I like the Milk product. So 5 products in this one. Put these away here. I like the inside of the bag too. It's like a pink satin. Okay, the big bag. The big bag is actually really exciting to me. I like the bag. It says, hooray, hooray. In the big bag, we have the Kate Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. I like the vitamin C creams. These are awesome. I will try this one out. But that's a full size, so that's pretty exciting. We also have, from Tarte, we have a Shadow and Liner Quick Stick. I like these. This is actually exciting too. I gotta try this one out. It's waterproof, by the way. And then we have from Ciate London, the Velvet Palette. The big bag is really good. I highly recommend of the 2 of these that you just get the Glam Bag Plus because you're getting a lot more product in this one. Check it out from Ciate London. We have, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. This is really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. You know what color's like really calling my name is this one right here. I like these kind of metallic mauves. Look at that. That's really pretty. This would be a good daytime look that has a little bit of, like sparkle to it. So that's really pretty. I'm loving that palette. We have the Serve Chilled Rosé Sheet Mask. Check it out. The sheet masks here. How many do we get? We got 4. We got 4. These are strawberry extract with hyaluronic acid. So that's kind of cool. And then we got my absolute favorite thing to get. We got makeup brushes. I don't know why. I just love getting makeup brushes. Beauty bags. You know me. I am definitely on board with this. Oh, look. These are like dual-ended. That's actually really cute. And they got kind of like an ombre look going on. So, I like the Glam bag Plus a little better this month. I always use these. These are awesome. You can put like anything in these and then throw them in your purse or your backpack. I think getting the full-size products is definitely neat. And this is, like I said, a really nice one from Kate Berkey. So I'm definitely on board with the Glam bag Plus this month. I really want to try this Tarte stick too. This looks really neat. I'm going to pull this out. I got to see it, you guys. I'm pulling it out. It's dual-ended, so you have one end that's like a shadow, and then you have one end that is a liner. So this would actually work really well. There is the liner. Like if you had this in your purse and you wanted to quick put something on in the car, check that out. Super pretty. So anyway, yeah, super good bags this month from Ipsy. Again, thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting me these Glam bags. Basically, just go to ipsy.com and, check them out. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.